Hello everyone, today I will show you how to highlight area in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. This is a PDF file and I will highlight a specific area this PDF. Select this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this area highlight icon. Click here and select your color which one you want to use and select this yellow color, and also you can select this status policy and simply drag your area. Select your mouse cursor and drag your text and see the area now, and select this properties option. Here you can change transparency and so on. Also select this purple color and I'll highlight this area and see this. Also you can add or delete this and see this. In this way you can highlight a specific area on your PDF file, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.